Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon. Is my voice audible? Yes. Okay. Okay. Shall we start our session? Shall I share my screen? Yeah. I just want to share my screen. Okay. Okay. So, yesterday what topic we have discussed? Yesterday what topic we have discussed? What topic we have discussed? This point. Yes or no? Shall we? Very good. So please everyone be careful and please do listen carefully because we are going to discuss some new topics today. Some new topics which you are not familiar previously. Okay. So already what is this pointer? I just want to summarize the things for 2 minutes. What is this pointer? For what reason we are using that? What is this pointer actually? This pointer refers to what? This pointer refers to yes please everybody please uh 1 minute I just want to record my question. Yes students please do respond and I just want to know what this pointer refers to. This pointer refers to what? Is my voice audible? First please let me know. Is my voice audible? No. Chat box. Is it visible? Chat box. Yes, no? Yeah. Okay, fine. So, this pointer refers to what, Nandika? Shazi? Yes, it is an implicit pointer, no doubt. Yes, it is an implicit point. Yes, it is an implicit pointer which is available to all the member functions in my class. All the non-static. Please do remember non-static. There are some member functions which are static, but we don't want to talk right now. Okay, we don't want to talk about that static thing right now. So the implicit pointer, which is a hidden pointer, which is available to all the member functions. Yes or no? All the member functions. And and this pointer refers to the current object. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా అడిగినప్పుడు చెప్పాలి ఏంటంటే this pointer refers to the current object. Please let me know in the chat box. This pointer refers to what? This pointer refers to current object means the object by which through which I can able to call the member function. Yes or no? Yes or no? To call the member function, whichever object I am using, that is the current object. Yes or no? Right? Yes. How many of you are there? Please. I am getting very less number of responses. Where are the other guys? Where are the other guys? Please let me know here. Let me know in the chat box. Pujita, still anybody still? Yes, Bhavana is here and Nandika, and where are the others? Where are the other people? Please do respond whenever I ask the question. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. So yesterday we have stopped our discussion exactly. Please do concentrate. I'm going a bit fast. Okay. Here I have two. Here I have. Here I have two. Where is that? I have changed something, no? Yesterday. Okay. Here I have two objects. Yesterday we have two objects. Please look at this. Is this program visible to you? Is this program visible to you? Now I just want to create an object dynamically. How to create an object dynamically? Like, will you please tell me the syntax of my right hand side of the equal to symbol? Will you please tell me the syntax? Which operator I need to use? Which operator I need to use to create object dynamically? Yes, new triangular. Yes or no? New operator will gives you the provision to create the object dynamically. Now I just want to change this as T1. I just want to change this as T1 and T dot set details and okay, base one. So here, I don't want to go for the implementation right now. Here, please let me know which object is stored in the stack and which object is stored in the heap. T1 is one, T1 is in heap, and T is in stack. Very good, students. So please, I just want to show you once again the picture which I have stopped yesterday. Yes or no? So here, yes, here in this picture, in stack, I have created what? Yeah, this is the first thing we have done, bro. Okay, yeah. In this stack, what object we have right now? Now we have at present we have what I have. Where are the okay? E, and in heap I have T1. Yes or no? Yes. Now how it is connecting T1? How it is connecting T1? Actually, T1 is what? T1 is what? Please look at the program once again. Please look at the program once again. T1 here, please do remember. Now T1 is just a static, just a variable. T1 is just a variable. It is just a pointer variable. It is just a pointer variable. If I don't have this, if I don't have this, if I don't have that part, what is that part? What part I have missed? What part I have missed? New triangular. That is, the new triangular is exactly my object. Exactly, that is my object. That is going to be stored in heap. That is going to be stored in heap. And actually, the point that star T1 is, actually, wait a minute. I'll erase this. Now, just wait. Give me a second, please. Give me a second. I just want to show here now T1 is here. Now T1 is here. Now T1 is a static pointer. Now this pointer is storing the address of my T1 object. Actually, new triangle of will be created here. New triangle of is an object which is going to be created in heap, and the starting address of this new object is going to be stored in T1 right now. Now this is T1 actually. Now this is T1. Okay. Now the address of the newly created object is stored in that T1. Now in that manner they are going to be linked. In that manner they are going to be linked. Understood? Actually T1 is a static pointer variable that it is to be stored in stack, and in heap exactly the dynamically created object is going to be stored. Actually here the actual object is new triangular. Actually the object is new triangular but not T1. Whenever I assign this new triangular to T1, then I can say it is my object. Then I can say whenever after assignment, then I can say it is my object. Understood everybody? Did you understand how the memory is going to be allocated in a stack? How the memory is going to be allocated in a heap? How they are connecting each other? Did you understand? Yes? Yes, Obaidullah. Yeah, sure. I'll explain once again. Yeah, sure. Bhavana. Okay, fine. So, Bhavana and Obaidullah, please do listen carefully. In the second line, which I am showing here, triangle star T1 equal to new triangle of. In that line, in that statement, new triangle of is exactly my object. Whenever I say new triangle of, that is my object. I can say, I'll skip this. Can you tell me, in the second statement, an object got created or not? In the second statement, an object got created or not? Please, Bhavana and Obaidullah, please do respond here. Yes or no? By saying new operator, is it got created, an object got created or not? Please let me know. Then I'll tell you. Yes, object got created, no? Without now by saying this, what I am going to do is, by saying this, the newly created object which is there in heap, now I am storing that address in T1. I repeat, the newly created dynamic object, the newly created dynamic object which is there in heap, now I am assigning that address to the T1. Understand? Did you understand? Now I can say, now T1 is my object. So that until unless I specify new triangle of, it is just a pointer. Variable. That's it. Whenever I say new triangle of, then only it is my object. Okay. Object got created. Did you understand, Bhavana and Obaidullah? Yes. Did you understand now? Yes, no? Okay. Fine. Did you understand the figure right now? Did you understand this figure now? Now this is new. New triangular. Now this is new triangular. Now I am storing this address in T1. That is what? Triangle T star T1 equal to new triangle. That what does it mean? The statement means that. Understood? Yes or no? Shall I go forward? Shall I go ahead? If you understand, then I'll continue. Yes or no? Please let me know. Yes, no? Right, Pujita. Good students. Now, I'm going to the next program. See, whenever, actually the advantage of this pointer is, whenever please look at this. Please look at my program. What class I am having here? Which class I am having here? Student class. In student class, what are all the data members I am having? N and name, that is student number and name. Now, N is the student number, I am representing the variable as N. Yes or no? Please look at the get data function. Please look at the get data function. In get data function, I am passing the variable as int N. I am passing a variable, a parameter as int N. Yes or no? Now, I'll remove this. Wait. Now please let me know. Please do concentrate on this line. Can I say now N is what? On my left hand side, N is what? It is a member, data member. Yes or no? Are you there, everybody? Are you there? Yes, no? So on my left hand side, N is data member. It's a data member. And on my right hand side, what is that N? What is that? It is the parameter. It's the parameter which I am passing to this method. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understand what I am saying? Did you understand? Yes, no? Now, can I? Is this illegal? Is this legal? Is this notation legal? Can I go forward like this? Is this program compiled? Can I compile this program? Shall I? Shall I execute? No, right? Actually, I'll execute. Did I save this? Sorry, I didn't save this. I'm sorry. Where I am doing this? Okay. Is it sharing or not? Yes or no? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'll do this. Okay, it just compiled. Fine. Now, what happened? What happened to this? What happened? Did you observe what is happening? Did you observe what is happening? Did you observe? Actually, you should get an error here. But I'm very much surprised that I saved this program, right? I saved this program. I had changed to what happened? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Student, and this I remove and I save this, execute. Yeah, I'm very much surprised here because actually it should raise an error here, because on my left hand side and right hand side the variables are same. The name of the data member and the name of the local variable are, whenever they are same, it should raise an, it should be, it is an ambiguity, no? It is an ambiguity actually. Student number 1 in output, but you gave 101 in output. Student number 1 in output. Yeah. Yes. I'll check that. Then how is it getting one here? One here? It's not passing correctly, right? It's not passing. Actually, it is not passing correctly. Right. I'll do this. One or two. What did you observe? What did you observe? What did you observe? Did you observe anything over here? Some mismatches, some ambiguities, yes or no? If the data member name and the name of the local variable are same, then there is an ambiguity, there is an unwanted results we are getting. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Are you there, everybody? Are you with me? Yes, no? Now, whenever I say, listen carefully. Whenever I say, actually what I told you, for every member function, an implicit pointer is already available. So by as this is pointing to my current object, can I say this of n? This gives rise to n. Yes or no? In my object I am having n and name. Now by using that pointer, actually that pointer is pointing to my object s1, suppose student s1, then can I say this of n, so that ambiguity will be removed? There is no confusion for the compiler that okay, this n is related to data member, and the right hand side, what the n I have assigned, that is the local variable. Understood now? Understood? Everybody? Did you understand what I'm saying? Yes or no? Bhavana, understood now? Yes. Still anybody? Anybody? If you have anybody, please raise your doubt straight away, right now. Once again. Yeah, sure, Shazi. Yeah, Shazi. What happened is, listen carefully. Ma'am, why only this? Why only this means? Because this is a pointer. This is a pointer. It's an implicit pointer which is available to the all the member functions in your class. And this friends, are you there? Are you able to listen my voice? Are you able to listen my voice? Yes? Yes, no? Yeah, thank you. Okay, fine. I'm just sharing my screen. And wait a minute, just connection lost because of poor network. Okay. Yeah. Vinita, are you there? Vinita, or who asked Bhavana, or who asked? Obaidullah and Shadi. Are you there? Are you there? Yes. Okay. So please do listen. As this is available to the all the member functions, now this refers to what? The current object. What is my current object? Please look at my cursor point. Please look at my cursor. Whichever the object I am using to call the method. Yes or no? Get data is called through which object? Yes, one. Yes or no? So in getData method, this refers to what? This refers to what? This object, S1 object. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? For S1, already we have data members n and name. N and name. Did you understand till that? Did you understand till that? Obaidullah, did you understand till that? Did you understand till that? Yes. Yes. Now, as this is pointing to, as wait a minute, I'll show here. Wait. Wait, I'm taking the pen. Now, for every data member, what I'm having here, what I'm having, this. This is a pointer. This is referring to S1. As S1 is having N and name. Yes or no? Now, can I say this of N, this of, suppose N equal to 101. Can I say this? Can I say this? As this is pointing to my S1, as this is pointing to my S1, can I say this of N equal to 101? Yes, yes, yes or no? Please listen, please do understand. Is this clear right now? Is this clear? Now this is available to all the member functions. For suppose you have 10 member functions, for all the member functions this is available. For all the non-static member functions. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that okay? Students, please do respond here. I am waiting for your responses. Please do respond here. Yes. Ovedila, is it okay now? Bhavana, fine? Where is Dinesh? Has he understood? Yes? Fine? Got it. Okay, good. Good students. I know you'll understand definitely. Good. That is the case with this. So the advantage of this is whenever my data member name and the local variable name are equal or matching or same, then I can represent that in this manner. Is this understood? Did you understand that? Did you understand this? Yes? Okay. Okay. Fine. Now I am moving forward to this pointer 2. And this is the advantage of this pointer. Second one. Please read aloud that the comment section. Please read that. Please do read these two statements. This also can be used for chaining function calls. Function call chaining. What is meant by function call chaining? What is meant by function call chaining? What is meant by function call chaining? I'll just show you. Please do observe this. Please do observe this statement. Please do observe this statement. Please do observe this statement. Students, are you there? Did you observe this? Did you understand why it is like this? In this, I'll show you. In this class, how many methods I have? This is a class test. In this class, I have set data number 1, set x method number 2, set y method number 3, display method number 4. Not nesting. Not nesting. Nesting. I cannot say. Chaining. It's a chaining. Chaining of function calls. Sanjana. How many? There are calling more than one function. Calling more than one function in a sequence. Anupam, it's a sequence. Okay. Calling more than one function in a sequential manner. Okay, that's it. So I have four functions. I have four functions and set x, set y, set data, set x, set y, display. These are the four functions I am having. I am using how to call any function, how to call any method from my main method. ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి ఏ మెథడ్ అయినా how to call by using the by using the by using object. Yes or no? By using object. Exactly, Akash. So by using this object I need to call. How to call this t1 dot set x of 100? Again, how to call set y? As we know earlier, t1 dot set y. How to call set y also? t1 dot set y. But I didn't do that. I just given in this all these two methods in a sequential order for calling. That is called chaining function calls. That is called chaining function calls. How it is happen? How it is going to be happen? I will show you. Please do listen. I am going to the set data method. In set data, I am setting the data. I am setting the data for x and y. Right? Is it fine? Is it fine? And in this data, why did I use these two? Why did I use these two? Is these two statements? Why I have used these two? Why did I use these two statements like this? Same variable, exactly, because the data name of the data variable and the name of the local variable are same. So that I am specifying that this of x equal to x, this of y equal to y. Understood? Now, in set x method, I have set the value of the a, and now please do carefully look at this point, the highlighted one. What is that? What is this? What is this? What is star this? What is this first? Please let me know over there. I am returning this over there. This is an address of the object. Very good, super. Anupam. This is a pointer. Now, as this is a pointer, what is star this? I'll ask you like this. Suppose P is a pointer. P is pointing to something. If I say star P, what does it? Yes, Sanjana. Value at that address. Yes or no? This is a pointer. If I say star P, star this, what does it mean? What does it mean? What does it mean? Yes, I am giving a pause means I am looking at value at that address. Very good. So, star this is value at the address. What is that? What is the value it is having? The address of the object. The address of the object. That is the object itself. Yes or no? The object itself. Now, value at the address means the object itself. The object itself. Now, what? Please do carefully look at this. Carefully look at this. What is this? Now, as I am returning the value at the address, how is my return type? How is my return type? How is it? How is it? How is it? How is it? What is test ampersand? What is test ampersand? As it is an address. As I am returning the object itself, star this means value at the address. What is the value at that address? The object itself. As I am returning the object itself, my return type should be the same as the object type. Yes or no? What type of object I am returning? The test object. No, Dinesh. Sanjana, no. I am returning the object there. Star this means what is there in star? What is there in star this? Object. I am returning the object of type test. So that my return type should be test, no? My return type should be test, no? Did you understand what I am saying? I'll tell you what is ampersand later. Please do understand what is test over there. No, what? What's your doubt, Dinesh? Once again, yeah, Dinesh, please do listen. In this setx method, I have set the value for the x. After this, I am saying return star this. What is this? What is this? This ante entakada? This is the pointer to my object. This is a pointer. Anpam. What is star this? To object. Pointer to object. Anpam. Yes. What is star this? Star ante enti? C lo నేర్చుకున్నది ఏంటి? వాల్యూ అట్ ద అడ్రస్. వాల్యూ అట్ దట్ అడ్రస్. ఆ అడ్రస్ లో ఏం వాల్యూ ఉంది? ఆ దిస్ లో ఏముంది? దిస్ లో ఆల్రెడీ అడ్రస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. ఆ అడ్రస్ లో ఏముంది? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది. Yes or no? So now star this అంటేనే ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ టైప్ టెస్ట్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎలాంటి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నాది? కిందకి వెళ్ళండి. What type of object is that? T1 is of type test, no? As the object is test, how should be my return type? Ante kada. Suppose if I am returning an integer value, my return type should be integer. If I am returning any string, my return type should be string. As I am returning on an object, my return type should be the type of the object. No? The type of object here is test. Understood, everybody? Understood what I am saying? Yes or no? Yes, Shadri. Good. Pujita. Good. Obedilla also. Dinesh, I am waiting for your answer. Right. Okay. Already you have given, no? Right, students. Super. Thank you. Thank you. Already we are stuck for a lot of time here. And what is ampersand over there? Yeah, I'm coming to that. What is ampersand? In first unit, did you the topic which is the references topic, is it covered? References. References in C++, is it covered or not? Yes, no? Yes. Then what is ampersand over there? Now you please tell me. Instead of me, it's your turn. Ampersand, not address operator. No. Here it doesn't mean that. It doesn't mean that. Shall I tell you guys? I'll give 2 more seconds to reply. I am waiting for the proper reply from you. What is ampersand? In references, what is ampersand? Yes. It's the alias. It's an alias for the object. Suppose Bhavana. So Bhavana is there. Suppose Bhavana might be called through a nickname at home, some like Bujji or something. Even Bhavana and Bujji are same person. Yes or no? Bhavana and Bujji or anything, any nickname which is their parents calling is same. Yes or no? In the same way, ampersand is also an alias name for that object. Ampersand is also an alias name for that object. Suppose the object I am returning there, suppose A. Now that ampersand is the suppose again name B. Now A, B are same because they are pointing to same object. They are same object. Not pointing to, suppose not pointing to same object. One object is having different names. Did you understand? The same object is having as a reference, as a alias name. See, in star this I am returning Bhavana. In this ampersand I am taking that as Bujji. Understood? Use it to refer a variable. Yes. To refer that object in another name, I can use that ampersand. Okay. Anupam. Understood? Everybody? So test is you can take like this. You can take like this. Hmm. I'll change. I'm doing some changes. Please do observe. Now I am doing some changes. Please do observe. Ah. Now this is also fine. Now this is also fine. Now please tell me what it is happening over there. What is happening over there? Did you understand what changes I have made? Pointer is returning to yes. As I am now, this is the pointer. Now this is the pointer. It is not value at the address. As I am returning this, as it is a pointer, my return type should be pointer. No. Yes. That's the story. I hope everybody understood this. I hope. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ నొటేషన్ లో నేను ఇలా పాయింటర్ యూస్ చేస్తుంటే నౌ ఐ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ హియర్ లైక్ దిస్ ప్లీజ్ డు అబ్జర్వ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇఫ్ ఐ am returning a pointer okay, understood or not? What changes I have made? Did everybody, is it reach for everyone? Understood. Good, super. I'm coming back. I'm coming back to my own changes, my own thing. Right, right. Now, what is the output? Can you please expect the output? Can you expect the output? I'll show you this. Now, I'm calling two times display function two times. I'm calling display function two times. Already time is over, I think. Now it's the time to give the task. What is the output? Are you guys? Are you there? Are you there? Output is I'll execute. Yeah. Did you get the output? Did you get the? Yeah. I just want to tell you one more thing. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here setX method is returning. setX method is returning an object so that object I am using to call this set_y. That object I am using this to call set_y. Did you understand that? I hope it is self-explanatory so that I didn't explain that. I hope it is self-explanatory. Did you understand? As I am returning an object, an alias for an object in setX method, through that method, through that object, I can call the set_y method. Did everybody understand this? Did everyone understand this? Did everyone understand? Yes. Remaining students, Pujita, Srivani, good. Abhijit, Grace, and where is Krishna? Yesterday some Krishna is there, no? Venkata Krishna Aditya, fine, and also some more Krishna is there. Someone, another Krishna. Okay, good students. So shall we go for the task? Shall we go for the task or shall we go for the next concept constructor? I hope next code. No, because already time is up because I need to give some time, enough time to do task. No, shall I go for the task? Yes. I'm going to start the this point. Oh, only one activity because I did not complete the constructor activities, so I can able to give only one activity. After completing that, I can able to start. Madam, wait a minute. Wait a minute, students. Wait a minute. Yeah, students, I'm very sorry because we have still time. We have still the class is still 2:30. No, we will continue our session. We will continue. Is that okay? Is that okay? Is that okay? I just want to introduce one more new topic. It is very exciting and which is very useful in your coding. Okay, right? Super. Shall it ask 1 hour? No, yeah. That's all. So, as till now, did everybody understand? Did everybody understand what is this? What is this? What it is referring to? How this is referring to the object? Sri Krishna, what should I repeat? Sri Krishna, I'll just connect my charger. Please do wait. Sri Krishna, what should I repeat? Please do mention specifically. Sri Krishna, point to go. Yes. Sri Krishna, where were you all this time? Yeah? Of course, crystal clear for Anupam. But once again, okay, Obedillah, you also explain this one. Yeah, sure. Don't worry, sure. We just had a power cut, okay. But the other remaining students will get the headache once again. That's what my problem. I don't mind to explain once again, but what is Srivani? What Srivani is typing? Yeah. See, Ubaidullah, I'll just clear your doubt first. Setx is returning what, Ubaidullah? Setx is returning what? Setx method is returning what? A reference to the object, right? A reference to the object. Reference means alias name for the object. Yes or no? Please let me know fast. Yes, no? Now, as it is returning the object in setx method, there it is an object. Actually, as it is returning an object, instead of setx, what I am having here, as it is returning one more object. Suppose maybe an alias name. Yes or no? Yes or no? Based on this returned T1, returned object, now I am calling this set by method. Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Yes, no? Right. Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna, it's your turn now. Sri Krishna, what is happening is that this is all this the one more advantage of this is we can use it we can use this pointer to call methods in chaining. Chaining function calls. Chaining function calls. How to chain the function calls? In this way I can change the function. In this way I can do the chaining of function calls. Is this not chaining? Is this Sri Krishna? You please respond. You please do respond. Yes or no? On T1 dot setx of 100, again I am invoking set by method because setx itself is returning what? Setx is returning the object. Actually, this is a pointer. This is a pointer to the object. Now, star this is value at that address. That is itself is my object. Understood? Till now understood? Value at the address. Did you understood, Sri Krishna? Value at the address is the object itself. Now I am returning entire this object return by through this. Now my return type is test ampersand. What is test ampersand? As the object is of type test, now I need to mention test. As what is ampersand? It is an alias name. Now I am taking that object's reference. Reference means alias name. Sri Krishna can be called as Krish. Krish is same like Sri Krishna. Yes or no? Yes or no? Both are same. Now the written object is same as the reference. Yes or no? The same reference, the same object reference. Now I am returning over here. Now in this place, what I am having? One more, the same returned object. Now is this fine? Is this fine? Is this? No, sorry. I'll do this. Is this fine? Is this okay? The notation, did you understand? Set x of 200 dot set y of 200 is same as t1 dot set x set y of 200 because set x is returning an object. Understood now? Shall I move ahead? Shall I move ahead? Shall I move? Shall I please? Please let me know in the chat box. Students? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Anupam. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Yes. Now, please look at this. It's a very simple one. Please look at this. Please look at this. Is this of this is the program? It's the class is account class. The class is account. I'm having three data members: name of the account holder, account number, and also balance. And also balance. Now I did not use any access or methods to initialize my data members. Here in the account class, I did not use any access or method, set details or set data or any other method to initialize my data members. I did not initialize the data members, but straight away I am printing the data members straight away in the main function. So what are the default values for without initialization, without initializing them properly? What are all the default things? What default values they are storing? Can you expect? Are you there, students? Please do respond. If you are not there, it goes in vain. Please do respond. The remaining students also. Address. Why address, Dinesh? Why address? Exactly, I am printing A1 dot account number, but I did not initialize that. I am printing A1 dot name. I did not initialize. A1 dot balance. I did not initialize. I will show you the program without initialization. What behavior it is showing? What exact behavior it is showing? Okay. F9. F9. It's compiled, no doubt. Now, what you are getting? Please do look at this. For account number, as it is an integer data type, it is having 0. And for name, it is showing some symbol. For double, what is double over here? What is double? Now look at this. For double balance, it is giving some value, some exponential value. But all of them did not have any meaning. Did you understand that? Without initialization, it is showing some unknown behavior. It is having some unknown behavior. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you there? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. So, now I just want to do one thing that I just want to initialize these data members by using at the time of object creation itself. Did you understand what I am saying? Please look at this. Please look at this. This is what? This is what? What is this? What is this? This is the concept called constructor. 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 For what I am using constructor? How is the constructor? I'll explain you. Okay. See. How did I? What class is this? What class is this? Student. How many data members it is having? 3. How I am initializing these data? You know. How I am initializing these data members? How am I initializing these data members? Did I use any set data method? Did I use any set data method? Did I use any set data method? No, right? No. Obviously no. But I have initialized these data members using one thing called constructor. Using one thing called constructor. What is constructor means? What is constructor means? The constructor can be called, listen carefully. The constructor can be called automatically as and when the object got created. The constructor gets called automatically as and when the object got created. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తామో ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఏం కాల్ అవుతుంది ద కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్టర్ దిస్ ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి కాల్డ్ అండర్స్టూడ్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో ఎస్ నో ఈస్ దిస్ పాయింట్ రీచబుల్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్ yes yes how is the constructor how to write this the constructor is having the same name as the class name the constructor is having the same name as the class name did you understand that now what is the class name same student yes sir can we pass on yes Anupam obviously I'll go to that for in the next program that is parameterized constructor. Here, please look at my cursor. That is parameterized constructor. We will go for that in next couple of minutes. Okay. Okay. So, did I call the constructor? Did I call this s1 dot student of? Did I say that? Did I say like this? s1 dot student of. Did I call like this? Did I? No, right? No. But who called this constructor? Who called this constructor? The C++ compiler called the constructor at the time of object creation itself. S1. Whenever you created S1, automatically the constructor is going to be called. And assign these particular values to the data members. Understood? Everybody. Yes. Bhavana, why did you say object? Okay. You might have said the answer, right? Okay. Understood, everybody? Understood? Please do respond, remaining students also. I am expecting the answers from the not frequently answering students. Suhas, good. Remaining students, I'm waiting for you guys. Remaining students or some new names I'm expecting. Yeah, Krishna, Aditya, fine, Shravan, still okay. Now I am having the display method. Now I need to call the display method. Yes or no? It's not the constructor. I need to call the display method through an object. One more thing, how to define the constructor. The constructor must have this rules for the constructor are listen carefully. The constructor must be in public section. Number 1. Listen carefully. I'm going to give you one straight points here regarding constructor. The constructor must be defined in the public section. Number one, the constructor should have the same name as the class name. Number 2, the constructor should have the same name as class name. Number 2, the constructor should not have any return type. Any return type. Int, float, double, not even void also. The constructor should not have any return type. Did everybody understand? The constructor should be written in public section. The constructor name should have the same name as class name. The constructor should not have any return type, not even void. So this is how you need to write the constructor. Understand? Understand everybody? Yes. This is called default constructor. This is called default constructor. Yes or no? I am not passing any parameters right here. No, I am not passing anything. So I can call this constructor as default constructor. Understood everybody? Understood? Right? Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. Shall I execute this? Shall I execute this? Now, it printed that, see how the constructor flow is. After creating student S1, this cout got called. This cout executed because at the time of S1 itself the control goes here. Yes or no? At the time of S1 created, the control goes here, so that this default constructor got printed first. After that the control will be comes here, so that next these should be printed. Did everybody understand this? Did everybody understand this? Did everybody understand this? Everybody. Yes? Fine. Good. Okay, students. Good. Students, I'm getting I'm getting the responses only from the frequently answering students. But I am expecting the even from the students who are not responding every time. Please do respond here. Now, did everybody understand what is default constructor? How it is calling? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Good. Good. Super. Suhas. Right. Now, this is Anupam. You asked how can we pass parameters? No? This is the answer for your question. We can even pass parameters to my constructor. See, this is default constructor. Right? Right? This is one parameterized constructor. This is one parameterized constructor. And this is three parameterized constructor. Understood? Understood, ma'am? Please do share. Yeah, sure, Srivani. Definitely, I'm going to give you. Okay, please do listen. Within 2 minutes, I'm going to close this session and I'll forward this. Okay, now, how to call this? How to call this? Please look at this. Student S1. This is going to call which constructor? Student S1 is going to call which constructor? I'll ask you one now. Please do respond. Everybody. Default constructor. Very good. Super. Very good. Now, this statement, this one is S2 of Bindu. That is, I'm passing only one parameter is constructor. As I am passing only one parameter, this is going to call which one? Which one? This one. This constructor. Understood? Understood everybody? Now, this statement, this line is going to call which constructor? Yes, obviously, three parameterized constructor. Understood? Understood everybody? Now, why did I use this here over here? Why did I use this over here? I hope everybody understood why I have used this. Because the name of the data member and the name of the local variable are same. Yes. How to call this? Did you understand how to call all these things? Understood, no? See out, student one details, display. Everybody understood this program? Understood? Now, in this program, I'll show you one thing. I'll create again one more object. One more object. One more object. S2. What output you can expect here? For both objects, what output you can expect? For both objects, what output you can expect? Everybody. Shazi, very good. Very good. Sanjana, understood? You understood, no? Understood? Same output. Because same output as S1. Because I'm having only one default constructor. So that for any object, the values will be same. But in real time, can we have same name, same roll number, same grade for all the students? For all the students? Yes? No, right? That is what the disadvantage of the default constructor. That can be overruled in the parameterized constructor. Because I can give as many varieties of parameters through my constructor so that I can vary the data from student to student. Did you understand right now? Did you understand? Till now, did you understand everybody? This is the last statement. I am going to start the task. Is that okay? Yes? Yes? Fine? Good. Everybody. Only 3 students answered that they have understood so far. I have started the first task, this pointer. Please go through that. Please do first task carefully. Remember the syntaxes and all. After 5 minutes or 5 or 7 minutes, I'll start the second task. Is that okay?